Hey there, crafty ladies. Today is day 2 of sharing the past. If you have a passion for these lovely old cabinet cards and would love to get your hands on a set, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing Cabinet Card 2, a fantastic DIY project you can make using your home printer, scissors and glue. The link is in the description box below. If you're already registered on my website, just pop on over and click on the free tab on the top menu bar. And if you're new here, welcome, and you will need to register to be able to get your cabinet cards. In this video, we'll be making Cabinet Card 2. The original cards are over 100 years old. Yesterday, I showed you how to line up the front with the back, and today we'll do the same, only this time I'll speed it up a tad so you can get your hands dirty. The first thing you've got to do is print your cabinet card. I'm using 250 GSM. You can use 100, 150, 200, you can even use 300 GSM if it will go through your printer. I'm also printing in colour, but you can use a black ink printer if you don't have colour. Once you've printed out your cabinet card, we're going to cut around the front and the back with either a 1/4 inch or a 1/8 inch border. Either will work. Now we've got our cards cut out, we're going to add some glue on the back of both pieces. Now I'm using 𝗹𝗶𝗀𝗀 glue. This glue sticks like glue, excuse the pun. If you're a beginner, you may want to use a glue that's got a bit more slip on it. This 𝗹𝗶𝗀𝗀 glue, when you put the front and the back together, it stays put. By adding the glue on both the front and the back piece will stop it from warping when you put the two pieces together. Then we're going to line them up together. So put corners to corners and then just let them fall into place to join. While your card's laying on the table, just press it down as flat as you can with your bone folder. If you haven't got a bone folder, just use the palm of your hand. At this stage, you can leave your card to dry for 5 or 10 minutes, or you can just get straight in and trim the edge off your card. I trim all sides in a rectangle first, and then I'm going to come back and round the corners in a minute. I'm using a small corner rounder punch to round the corners. You can just nip off the little white bits, or you can just put the whole corner in and cut it off. Now we've got all our corners cut off, we're going to distress ink the edges. Because our front and back has been printed, when you join them together, you're left with this white edge. Find a matching colour. Both tea dye and frayed burlap works well with this card. This part is optional. You can beat up the edges. I like to beat up the edges because it just makes these cabinet cards look more authentic. If you like a clean cut edge, just leave them as they are. You can do this by just whacking them on the edge of your table, or you can tap the edge with a ruler, or use the Tim Holtz distresser. A pair of scissors also works well. What you can do now is just pop this card in a box or between the pages of your journal. That's it for the making of Cabinet Card 2. See you tomorrow for day 3, where you can get Cabinet Card 3 to add to your collection. See you tomorrow.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful deal.